What's up, guys? My name is Aaron Baz, fitness manager at Fit Athletic, and this is your Workout Wednesday. For this week's Workout Wednesday, we're going to be doing a total body HIIT workout in the format of a Tabata. A Tabata is a 4-minute bout of exercise where you work intensely for 20 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest period until you hit your total duration of 4 minutes. Today, we're going to perform 5 explosive movements that are fun to do on the beach. After each round, make sure to rest adequately. You should take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes before moving on to the next exercise. Your first exercise is a surfer get-up. To perform a surfer get-up, get into a push-up position and lower yourself all the way down to a sand. Now, when you're ready to start the movement, you're gonna press through the sand and jump up to your feet into this surfer position, then return all the way back down and switch sides. Exercise number 2 is a split jump. To perform a split jump, come down to a lunge position with both of your legs at a 90-degree angle. Utilizing your quads and your core, explode upward and switch sides through the air. Exercise number 3 is a crab walk. To perform a crab walk, start by sitting on your butt. When you're ready to perform your rep, put your arms behind you, keep your knees bent, and lift your hips off of the floor. When you're ready to begin your workout, start to pull yourself forward with your hamstrings and walk yourself forward with your upper body. Go backwards and frontwards until you hit your desired time. Exercise number 4 is a squat jump. To perform a squat jump, lower yourself into the bottom of the squat. When you're ready to start your exercise, explode through your feet and throw those fingertips toward the floor. Last exercise is a bear crawl. To perform a bear crawl, you're gonna get down on all fours and have your shins just hovering off of the floor. To begin the movement, step with the left arm and the right leg, then alternate this for 5 steps forward and 5 steps backward. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed today's HIIT workout. I'm dead tired, but please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to run out in the ocean because I'm freaking dying out here. I'll catch y'all next week.